Changing the language on Walmart is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can change the language on Walmart app. So for that, I went to the Walmart app and I tried finding the changing language option everywhere in the app. So currently you cannot change it in the app, but you can change it on the browser. So I'm just going to uninstall this app, and after uninstalling it, I'll go to my Google Chrome. I uninstall the app just because whenever I tap to my Walmart application here in the Google Chrome, it just pops up the application. Now here you have to search for Walmart, and here you have to tap on this Walmart, and it will take you to this link. Now this is same as the Walmart app. Here you'll easily be able to change the language. You just simply have to tap on these three dots. You have to tap on this translate, and after tapping on translate, you simply have to tap on this language. You just simply have to tap on these three dots, and here you have to tap on more language, and you'll be able to see all the language in which you want your website to be translated. Suppose I want to translate it to Chinese, so I'm just going to tap on Chinese. What it will do is it will automatically, as you guys can see, it translated the whole website into Chinese. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.